Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. This is the Bitcoin daily analysis for today, Wednesday, 2 of October of 2024. Well, yesterday we were talking about that this whole move up to the downside was completely expected. We were talking about this move since here, basically, basically here because Bitcoin was losing strength, then pop up to the upside, close above, and then losing strength again in this side, creating inside candles, not able to close over the highs. Was pretty obvious, at least to me, and I already told in my video, so it was completely expected. For this Tuesday, we were expecting a continuation to the downside. Well, it happened. Bitcoin goes down 4%. And I was expecting a retracement around this zone, around the midpoint of this huge candle, the midpoint of the candle, and didn't happen. And it missed by a few dollars, I think $150. But the move went pretty well because we have a lot of liquidity in all of these points and was completely expected that Bitcoin will pick up this whole pool of liquidity, this fair value gap. And what happened basically, Bitcoin passed through all of these fair value gaps in the daily time frame, and in the weekly time frame, it almost closed below and respect this mitigation block that we have marked here because let me move this a little bit. We have this mitigation block market because was a point of interest because of in this point a lot of people went down, but Bitcoin goes up. They go underwater, and when the Bitcoin price goes down, they will keep a break even and close the trade, and that generate a buy pressure because a lot of people that went down here and goes underwater try to close the position at break even in this zone. So because of that, this mitigation block was respected at least for this Tuesday. I don't think Bitcoin will go up now. I think probably it will retrace a little bit. Let me see where it can retrace. Basically, the same logic that we applied for yesterday, we're gonna apply for today. 110.4. I pass a little bit. 110.4 here. Here is the midpoint of this huge candle. I don't think Bitcoin will retrace so much. I think it will retrace basically to this fair value gap, and then will continue going down because what's happening in the lower time frame, guys. This zone is this zone is super relevant. Here we have another thing, another thing that is pretty similar in the lower time frame. Look, here, here we have a lot of liquidity that is super close to this point. They're basically identically to this point, to these 3 points, and we have a fair value gap in the 6 hours that we haven't touched. So I think it's highly likely that Bitcoin will continue going down. Not likely that that this move that happened today was I said in the video yesterday. I say it was 99.999% probable that Bitcoin will arrive to this zone just this Tuesday or Wednesday. This could happen, yeah, it will take a little more days, but it's super likely that it will happen because it's just a magnet. It's a magnet for the market makers, and the markets are are bearish now because of the news about the Israel and all the things related to war. So for now, I'm expecting continuation to the downside, maybe a retracement to this fair value gap in the daily time frame. But I'm expecting more downside for Bitcoin and hopefully stay and stop around this zone or this zone and then continue going, starting to go up during the rest of the month of October. But it's pretty obvious to me that Bitcoin hasn't finished the downside yet. It needs to continue going a little more down. So this is the analysis for today, guys. This whole move was completely expected, and we already talked about the levels and all the things. And this mitigation block, at least for now, is respected. For this Wednesday, we don't have news. For this Thursday, we have ICM. Oh, this Friday, we have no farm payrolls and unemployment rate. And of course, that can rattle the market or pump it. But for now, Bitcoin already retraced this huge important zone. We have a lot of liquidity in this place. A lot of people go long here and get liquidated today. So this is very healthy for the market, and we will see what's happening the next day. But for now, I think that Bitcoin could do a little more downside, at least for this Wednesday, or maybe Tuesday, maybe Thursday. Okay, this is the analysis for today, guys. Hope you like it. If you want, you can subscribe, give us a like, and share with your friends. Take care. See you tomorrow. Bye.